Hello, Traceylou here. How you doing? Right, today this is let me start again. Hello, Traceylou here. This is Traceyllou's crafts in a tea break or coffee break or water break. I just don't mind. What can I say? Now, the idea of this is little things that you can make in 15 to 20 minutes while you grab a quick coffee or a tea or a juice or water, whatever it is. And today's make is pom-poms, because you never know when you might need a pom-pom. Now, I'm not going to do the traditional white pom-poms. I'm using, this gorgeous yarn. Isn't it beautiful? Now, this is leftover yarn, I'll be honest. I made a pair of socks, and this is Yarn Fair Flying Colours, and it's got 28% merino wool in it. Beautiful stuff, absolutely gorgeous. Now, the way to make your own, I'm not expecting you to have anything fancy. You don't need anything fancy. Now, like I say to everybody, this is not my idea, all right? I saw this on YouTube, or I think it was YouTube anyway, or Pinterest. I can't remember which one, so I can't link it down below. I do apologise. But I just wanted to show you how I make my pom-poms. I wish I'd known this years ago. It would have saved me so much hassle. And I'm hoping it's going to save you a lot of hassle. And like I say, you can make them in all different sizes, and I'll show you another way of doing it afterwards as well. So, we get the end of our wool, yarn, whatever you're using, or cotton. So I've just done another one, and I've still got glue all over my hands. So I do apologise. Right, put the wool in your hand like so, or the yarn, whatever you're using, and start wrapping. Now, depending on the size of the pom-pom you want, depends on how many fingers you're going to use. So if you want a larger pom-pom, use all 4 fingers and just wrap. Literally, hold on. Okay, so you're just going to wrap the yarn around, okay? And it also depends on how deep you want the pom-pom as to how much yarn you're going to use. Now, I wrap quite a bit round, as you will see. I'm a bit close to you, I do apologise. And I'm getting in a kerfuddle. Let me put that yarn in the centre. Because as you can tell, when I'm doing the socks, I go from the inside out, not the outside in. Right, so I'm still just wrapping around, as you can see. Let's keep going for a while yet. Let's just pop that back in there, that's it. So I'm just wrapping around. Alright, we're getting onto the purples now. Beautiful. I want quite a full pom-pom. I don't want a skinny pom-pom. So I'm going to keep wrapping. Okay. I'm going to keep wrapping. That's going to make quite a nice full pom-pom. So when I get to the end, I'm going to bring the end so my thumb can hold it. See? And then all I'm going to do is cut like so. So there's the end there. Alright, now with the same yarn, I'm going to cut a piece. Now this is where this yarn's horrible, because this yarn breaks very, very easily. Okay. I should have cut a longer piece actually. So let me just cut a longer piece. Where's the end gone? There it is. So I'm going to cut a piece. Say about 40 centimetres. Give or take. So just over 12 inches. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold it in half. Alright, now the loops, I'm going to slip under all of those. You see how it's gone? So I've got the looped end coming out from, it's gone all the way under those pieces that I've just wrapped. And then these 2 tails are going to go through that loop like so. This is where this merino wool will break, so I have to be really careful. I should have thought about that actually. And then you're going to just keep sliding it and pulling it nice and tight. All right, I'm going to be really careful. You need this to be as tight as possible. So that I'm going to leave like so. It should be tighter, but this merino wool, I'll show you on this piece, will pull apart like so. So that's why I'm not doing it as tight as I want it to be. I'll show you on the next one. Right, so now you've got it like so. With these two tails, what I want you to do is, see how we've got a hole in the middle. So what I want you to do is take these tails, one either side, and wrap them around the ball, and then tie them into a knot around the other side. Okay, so just tie them into a knot. This is when we have to be ultra careful. Put your finger there to hold the knot, to hold that first one. So you're doing a double knot here. Alright, so that's not going to be tight enough. And now this is where the easy bit comes in. Get a good pair of scissors. You see all these loops? You're going to cut these loops. If you put your scissors in to the top of the loop and then just cut. Alright. So again, find the centre of the loop to the top of the loop and then just cut. Alright. Right, now we need to get the inside loops. So just do the same again till you've got no loops, top and bottom. Right, have we got any more loops? Doesn't look like it. Oh yeah, there's one more there. Okay, so that's that side done. No, there's one more there. So now turn it around or over and do exactly the same again. Cut through all your loops like so. Just keep cutting your loops, but do not cut that centre piece that went all the way around. Alright. So there we go. Keep cutting the loops. There's another one there. I think I just spotted another one. I did. Have we got another one there? No. Right, so now we have what I call a scruffy pom-pom. But there's a pom-pom. Oh no, have I missed a loop? No, there you go. So now we've got a scruffy pom-pom with two long bits. Now what you can do is leave that to tie on if you want. So you've got a tie, somewhere to tie the pom-pom on. Now what you can do as well here, if you don't want a scruffy pom-pom, so maybe going on the top of a hat or something. So now you can just tidy up by just giving it a little trim. Like so. Let's take the next bit and just tidy it up. And you'd be surprised at just taking these few minutes or few moments what that does for your pom-pom. Just by doing this. How tidy and nice that this will make your pom-pom look. Just by giving it a little trim. Here we go, nearly done. Now you can put these are perfect for the gnomes, not in this colour, unless you want a multicoloured gnome. There we're getting on, we're nearly there. But the difference, a tidy, they're perfect on the top of bobble hats. They're great for making wreaths. I'm going to take these two long bits off. I don't actually want the long bits on mine. How are we doing for time? See, we're only on 10 minutes still, so we're all right for time. Let's just tidy that bit up. How are we doing? Here we go. I've got a stray one there. So now, let me just move all that rubbish away. Hold on. You'll then see where your long bits are. So there is a nice multicoloured, I missed off that whole section there, did you see that? There you go, a nice multicoloured pom-pom. In, what, 8 minutes all told? Would have took me a lot less if I wasn't having to worry about the... So, that's a large one. Let me show you. Now, I don't know the name of this wool. Did it work from the inside on this one or not? No, obviously not. Right, so let's do a quick one, a smaller one. Again, now, this is a thinner wool as well, but I'm only going to use 3 fingers. I'm going to wrap around, keep wrapping, but you'll see what I mean about the difference with the yarns. I hope I've put some of that. And you can also mix the yarns as well and mix the colours. If you've got the same yarn in 2 different colours, then put 2 different colours on it. Nothing's stopping you. Now there's quite a lot of yarn there, believe it or not. Right, hold on a little bit more. I really don't want to go over the 20 minutes. We're on 12 minutes now. Right, that should do it, because that's going to make a really full pom-pom. Again, I'm going to hold. See, I've caught it with my thumb there, and I'm going to cut there. Now I'm going to do around about 40 again. I'm going to loop it. Do it in half. Okay. The loop is going to go under and through. A tiny bit awkward, but there you go. Alright, so there's the loop. So these 2 are going to go through the loop. Pull those through. Right, and then make that nice and tight. Okay. And then take it off. Then open them out. Alright. Take them round. And then tie them into a double knot. Like so. Place your finger to hold. Bring the tail through there. There we go. And there's a nice double knot to hold it in place. I'm going to cut those off straight away. Like so. And then find in the middle, hold in the middle. Let's go to the loops. Like so. And cut all the way through. That's a big piece. Turning it over or round, cut through those loops, like so. Open it out so we can see what loops we've got left. Don't think I've missed many actually. Missed a couple there. Missed a couple there. And there you have another pom-pom. Let's just tidy this one up. I do like a tidy pom-pom, I must admit. This one's a lot easier to tidy up because it's smaller. And I think we're about done. If not, we're not far off. So there is how you make your pom-poms. Are we done? Yeah. So get rid of your waste. And there is a tiny pom-pom. So that is the difference. Oh wait, I missed that whole bunch there. That's better. So there are your 2 different pom-poms. And that's 2 in under 15 minutes. So that's how quick, and I've still missed a bit there, look. There we go. 2 different pom-poms, 2 different sizes, 2 different yarns, but same method and same outcome. All right, so, and I mean, like I say, you can make these and do your own pom-pom wreaths, or put them on top of hats, do them for your gnomes. You know, literally the world's your oyster with the pom-poms. So if you want to make a pom-pom, there you go. Nice and easy. No tools needed except for your own hand. And a pair of scissors and your yarn. That's all you need. So those are the 3 things. Here, look. That's all you need. 1, 2, 3 to make a pom-pom. 1, 2, 3 to make a pom-pom. How brilliant is that? All right, so enjoy. Go off and make your pom-poms. And why not leave a comment below and show me what you make. And if you haven't subscribed, please take the time to subscribe to my channel. I'd love more subscribers. And when I hit 150, say, how about we give a nice giveaway? So thanks for joining me today. Hope you've enjoyed it. And watch out for the next Traceylou's Crafts in a Tea Break. See you soon and thanks for joining me. Bye for now.